How to customize the email program options in AAAPOS RetailManager. If you have more than one email program installed on your computer, you can select the program you want to use to email your customer statements, transaction documents, and customer contact groups. If you use an email program that uses Simple Mail Transfer Protocol (SMTP), such as Yahoo, Hotmail, and Gmail, you can set up your email program to work with RetailManager. To set your default email program, go to the Setup menu and choose Options. If you're using a desktop email program, such as Microsoft Outlook, select Email Program and select Microsoft Outlook. Please note, depending on the version of Microsoft Outlook that you are using, you may need to close Microsoft Outlook before sending emails through RetailManager. If you are using a MAPI email program, such as EM Client, select MAPI email program and select your option from the drop-down list. If you're using an SMTP email service, select the SMTP email program option and enter the mail server details. You may need to contact your email provider for configuration details. Select Apply and OK to commit the information, and OK to the information message.